Perfect filter coffee everywhere you go using only one button. Let's check it. This is the VacBrew Coffee Maker. It's designed to make both hot coffee and cold coffee using vacuum extraction instead of long steeping times. The idea behind the system is simple. Faster brewing, clean flavor, and less bitterness, all without complicated setup. It's made for coffee lovers who want something different from traditional cold brew or drip coffee and simply make things easier. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking the VacBrew Coffee Maker. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to discover the best coffee gear out there. So let's dive in and check what we get. So there are three main parts here. We have the coffee chamber with a VacBrew system filter. We have the glass pitcher and a vacuum pump. So this is how it works. The coffee chamber covers the pitcher. And then we put our ground coffee, pouring some water, covering with the cover, and in the end we place the vacuum pump. There are also two parts coming with. One of them is this cover. After your coffee is ready, you can just cover your pitcher and keep your coffee hot or cold. You also get this orange stick to stir your coffee after pouring the water. I like to start with fresh coffee beans, about 18 grams for this brew. I grind them just before brewing to get the best flavor. Using freshly ground coffee really makes a difference, especially with a vacuum system like this, so you get a smooth, aromatic cup every time. Now let's put our ground coffee into the chamber. At first I want to try the hot coffee version. So pouring the water, about 300 milliliter. Stirring the coffee. And close it like that. So here we place the pump, and you can simply choose between three options. For a traditional filter coffee, I use the orange option, which is the 5-minute brew. After 5 minutes, the coffee starts dripping perfectly into the glass pitcher. To be honest, this beep sound is a little bit annoying. So when finished, simply take off the pump, open the cover, and we have a juicy filter coffee ready to drink. You can close it just like that and maybe let your coffee sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, this is a really nice filter coffee. Now let's try the cold brew process. I will add 18 grams of ground coffee with 200 milliliter of cold water. So for cold brew I will choose the 12-minute process. And again, it looks nice. And yes, this is a tasty cold brew. Overall, I really like the concept and the ease of brewing. The main benefit here is that you can brew without time stress. At first I was not convinced by the cold brew results, but I must say, for 12 minutes process this is not bad at all. You get a delicious juicy cold brew in such a short time. Thank you so much for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.